In this video, I'll show you how to load paper inside of your Brother HL-L2460DW and other models that are looking just like this one. I think they made this model for more than 10 years and they just changed the model number. So how to do this? It's very easy. The printer can be turned on or off. This is not important. So what you're going to do, you're going to take your hands and you're going to slide it in over here. This is a drawer and you're going to pull towards you. Like this. Now you're going to pull this drawer completely out and you're going to notice that there are some green tabs over here. Depending on which size of paper you want to print, in my case here, this is just some regular letter size, US letter size. But if you're trying to print on something bigger or even smaller, that's not a problem. You'll simply need to adjust those guides. So to move these around, you're going to push on them like this to release the lever, and then you're going to pull on the sides. And you see over here, you have some markings telling you when to stop. So if you're printing on A6 paper size, you're going to stop it there, A5 there, and so on. Letter size, you need to push it all the way in. And I bet most people will use this kind of paper. Once you're done with this one, you're going to go over here and we'll do the same thing. You see there's some markings here. You have A6, A5, B5, EXE, and then we have LTR. This is for letter size. So this is where we need to bring it. Same thing. We're going to press on this and then we're going to bring it until we reach LTR over here, like that. If you want to print on something bigger, you also have A4 there. You just need to bring it all the way in. Okay, so I'll leave it here. And now it's time to take your paper and place it in this drawer, like that. Now you may wonder how much paper this can fit, and it's very easy. You always have to fill it up under this red line over here with the arrows. You should never go above it, because what will happen then is that the printer will have paper jams often. Once you're done, simply glide back the drawer inside, make sure it clicks in place. And this is it. You can now start printing again. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, check the Amazon affiliate links down below in the description if you want to get some paper from Amazon. This is a great way to support my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.